Good morning, students. Again, we are discussing the chapter construction of class 10th mathematics. This lecture number is 5. Today, we are going to discuss exercise 11.2, which is based on the lengths of the tangents drawn from external point. We are taking first question of exercise 11.2. Question is, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. You see, students, first of all we are to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Means we are to open this compass of length 6 centimeter. The width of the compass, this is of 6 centimeter, because 6 centimeter we have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. You can put here and you can draw a circle. You are able to see this is a circle of radius 6 centimeter. This is the center O. I have taken this name. This first, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. We have drawn a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. We have to take a point which is 10 centimeter away from its center. We take this scale to take a point. You see, from here the point is 10 centimeter away. This is 10 centimeter away from this. I have taken this. This is P point. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. See, students, always remember there are 4 questions based on the same concept which I am going to discuss in this question. How to draw a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. Always see, you will join, the first step is you will join this external point to the center of the circle whom we are to draw tangents. We are to join first of all this point, external point, to the center. This is 10 centimeter away. This is the length, you can say. This is OP, in distance of this point from the center O is 10 centimeter. We have taken this. Again, I am telling you there are 4 questions on the same concept. This is the concept. From an external point we have to draw a pair of tangents to the circle. First step is join a line segment center to the external point. And from here we have to draw the tangent. Tangents are the lines which touch the circle at one point only. Now we are to find, this is the point, external point, and we are to find out the contact points. How to find out the contact point? First of all, we are to draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP. I told you earlier also how to draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. This OP is a line segment. You draw, you can open more than half. This is, and this. From here what you can do it, yes, and then this one. Now you draw perpendicular bisector. You can draw dotted line because we required this. This is, we got the O dash point. This is center of another. We are finding the contact points. You take this compass, put here at this O dash point and open up to O dash O, or you can say O dash P, because this is bisector. Then you have to draw another circle. You see my students, we have drawn another circle. I think you are able to understand it. Again I am repeating, this is a circle we have taken of radius 6 centimeter. Then we took a point P which is 10 centimeter from the center O. Then we join OP. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP. We get O dash point, the circle center of another circle. Then we open the compass, we put your compass here O dash, then we just open O dash O or O dash P, then we draw a circle. We get these 2 points where this circle intersecting the original circle at these 2 points, and these 2 points are, we can take it as PM and this is PN. These are the contact points. So my dear students, we got contact points. Then we can draw tangents from P joining this M point. We draw a line touching this circle at M, it goes, and from here also we can draw you got it or not. If you produce, it will go, it will not intersect, it will just touch at this point and pass through. Now see, if we measure, this was what? This is the circle of radius 6 centimeter. This is radius 6 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter, and we have to get it length of this. Measure their lengths. If you measure it, you see from here M and to this point, this, you will find PM. This is 8 centimeter. Same way here. This is PN. You will find 8 centimeter. So this is PM equal to PN equal to 8 centimeter. We have measured this. Dear students, if you want to verify it with the calculation, then you can see this. If we join this, what is this? This is 6 centimeter and this is what? 90. I told in the theorem also, this is radius. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point, and this is the side, this in triangle OMP. OP is side opposite to 90, is known as hypotenuse. Then by in triangle OMP, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square equal to OM square plus PM square. OP is 10 square, OM is 6 square plus PM is PM square. By Pythagoras theorem we are using. This is 100, it is 36 plus PM square, it is 100 minus 36 equal to PM square. it is 64 pm square, and this implies pm equal to root of 64, that is 8 centimeter. It is calculation, it is proved with the calculation. This is measurement with the construction. I think you understood, my students. Now how we can draw tangent to a circle from an exterior point to a circle. Join first of all center to that exterior point, then draw the perpendicular bisector. We get the center, then we draw another circle. It will intersect the original circle at 2 points. These are the contact points, and then join it. Then we are able to do it. On the same concept, same basics, there are 4 questions we are going to discuss. First of all, this first question is finished. Now we are going to discuss second question. What is the second question? You see, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle. What are the concentric circles? Concentric circles are those circles which have same center but different radii. There is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. There is another circle of same center but radius is 6 centimeter. We have to take point on the circle of radius 6 centimeter, and then we have to draw the tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeter. Pair of. First of all, what you have to do it? We have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. We are drawing this circle of radius 4 centimeter. It is very same concept, my dear students. You please see. First of all, we are drawing this is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. You see, this is the center. This is O. We have to draw another circle of radius 6 centimeter. Concentric means having same center, then but radii are different. This is 6 centimeter. Okay, what the question is saying, from a point on the concentric circle is this of radius 6 centimeter. We have to take a point. This is P point we have taken. We are to draw tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeter from this point. You see, students, you forget this circle. This is exterior point for this circle, and the same concept we have applied as we have discussed in question number 1. First of all, we have to join this. We have to join this center to this point. Clear? The next second point is we are to draw perpendicular bisector of this OP. You put here, you can open this more than half, this anywhere, no problem at all. From O, you draw an arc intersecting each other. Clear? Now you are to draw perpendicular bisector of this. Join this. You can draw dotted line because our aim is to get this center. You can take it as O dash, and this O dash, taking O dash as a center and O dash O as radius, or you can take O dash P this is O dash P, or you can take O dash O, then draw a circle. I think you understood this, my child. This point, these 2 points, this you can take M, this you can take N, and you know this is total length is of 6 centimeter up to here, and we have to draw this. And from here also, these are the 2 contact points. And you are able to see you can see. Now also verify we have to measure its length and also verify this. Again same way as I told you, you join this. What is the radius of this? This is 4 centimeter. It is of 90 degree, I told you. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. This is 6. Again Pythagoras theorem. If you use in OMP, in right triangle, OMP by Pythagoras theorem, this Pn, or you can say directly you can write Pn square equal to OP square minus OM square, and this Pn we have to find out. This OP is 6 square minus 4 square. This is Pm square equal to 36 minus 16, and this is Pm square it is 20, Pm square, and Pm equal to root of 20, that is 2 root 5. And what is root 5? 2.5, it is near about 5. Now we will measure it. What we are getting, it is 4 point, we have 4.5. So it is 2 point or something, but this is for Pm equal to Pn, and you can measure this from here to this 4.5 or 4.4 is there, 4.4 you can say, and same you will find here also. And this is 4.4 centimeter. So my dear students, you are able to understand these 2 questions of this exercise 11.2. We have to verify this. You can get the solution of this and you will find it the same. You have to do it. This is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then there is another circle, concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter, and this from a point is on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. We have to draw a pair of tangents for this circle. This is exterior point, and the same procedure we do as we have done in the first question. We join this and then draw perpendicular bisector. Then we draw another circle. We got the contact points. Then we join this Pm to Pn. I hope. And this is radius 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, and we have to find out with the calculation. Pythagoras theorem, you know, 90 is the radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. And this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is and we are to find out this, so we can write this OP square minus OM square equal to this PM square. This is 36 and this is 16, and then we got 20, and we just find out 2 root 5 and calculate it, and you'll find the same. In next lecture we will discuss question number 3 and question number 5 first, because they are of same type. I think you are able to do these two questions. Thank you.